What if I told you that some people are becoming millionaires from garbage, dirty water tanks, and laundry services? While everyone is chasing trendy businesses online, smart entrepreneurs are quietly building wealth from businesses most people laugh at. Today, I will show you 10 boring businesses that could make you rich. Have you ever wondered why some people work extremely hard, have degrees, and chase trendy business ideas, yet remain broke? Meanwhile, someone you barely notice is quietly becoming a millionaire from a business most people would consider dirty, boring, or useless. The truth is that money doesn't care about status. Money follows problems. And the biggest mistake many aspiring entrepreneurs make is confusing popularity with profitability. Today, I will show you some of the most profitable businesses that people ignore, laugh at, or look down on. Yet, these businesses generate millions of money every year. Before we begin, ask yourself this question. Would you rather own a business that looks impressive or a business that makes money? Let's start with a story. Imagine two friends, David and Michael, both have 1 million to start a business. David spent weeks on social media looking for the next big thing. He sees people talking about cryptocurrency, luxury fashion brands, and expensive cafes. He wants a business that looks successful. While Michael, in the other hand, think differently. Instead of asking, what is trending? He asks, what problem do people keep paying to solve? David opens a trendy business. Michael starts a waste collection service. 1 year later, David is struggling to attract customers. Michael has contracts with homes, offices, and estates. David has followers. Michael has cash flow. This happens more often than people realize because the most profitable businesses are usually hidden behind ordinary problems. Most people see garbage as something disgusting. Smart entrepreneurs see money. Money. Think about it. Every house produces waste. Every office produces waste. Every market produces waste. The amount of waste generated increases every year. That means demand never disappears. Now imagine charging hundreds or thousands of customers every month for waste collection. That's recurring income. And if you expand into recycling, you can make money twice. Once from collecting waste and again from processing recyclable materials. The lesson now. One person's trash can literally become another person's fortune. Do you know that people can survive without luxury? They cannot survive without water. Water is one of the most powerful businesses because demand is automatic. Nobody wakes up and decides not to use water, to take water. Homes need it. Schools need it. Hotels need it. Restaurants, they need it. Many people ignore this business because it isn't glamorous. But some of the wealthiest local entrepreneurs build fortune simply by supplying clean water consistently. The secret isn't excitement. The secret is necessity. That's what people can't do or can't live without every day. They must use water. So, if you really want to invest or if you really want a business you want to invest on, I would just suggest you should go for this water supply business. Number 3, let's be honest. Most people don't dream of owning a laundry businesses. But think about modern life. People are busier than ever. Professionals work long hours. Business owners have little free time. Many are willing to pay someone else to wash, iron, and deliver their clothes. The business may look small. The income can become massive when customers return every week. A customer who pays once is good. A customer who pays every week is a good mine. Now, number 4, nobody talking about this industry. That's exactly why many entrepreneurs avoid it. But here is the interesting part. The less competitors a business has, the more opportunity is often created. Every house eventually needs drainage maintenance. Every estate eventually needs septic services. And when people need these services, they don't negotiate much. They simply want the problem solved. This is one of those businesses here being willing to do what others avoid can create enormous wealth, a big wealth. Do you know that many people want to sell frozen food? Few want to store it. That's where the opportunity is. Fish sellers need storage. Chicken sellers need storage. Restaurants need storage. Food vendors, they need storage. Instead of competing with hundreds of sellers, you can become the person they all depend on. The biggest money isn't always in selling products. Sometimes it's in providing the infrastructures that supports everyone else's. Business isn't all about doing what you wish to do, but all about doing what will give you what you really enjoy doing. Now, number 6. Here is a powerful wealth principle. Rich people often own assets. Average people buy liabilities. Imagine owning generator, cameras, speakers, or construction equipment. You buy it once, then rent it out repeatedly. The same asset generates income again and again. This is how many wealthy people think. Instead of asking, what can I sell? They ask, what can I own that people will keep paying to use? Now here's the deeper lesson. Most people are not poor because they lack opportunities. They are poor because they judge opportunities by appearance. They want businesses that look successful. They want businesses that impress friends. They want businesses that create social media content. But wealth doesn't care about attention. Wealth rewards value. The market pays people who solve problems, not people who chase applause. That's why the entrepreneur collecting waste may earn more than the entrepreneur trying to look successful online. One solves a problem, the other is chasing an image. If you want to become financially successful, stop asking what business is trending. Start asking what problem exists every day. Because every day people need water, every day people create waste, every day people wash clothes, every day people store food, every day people need equipment. The biggest fortune are often hidden inside ordinary problems. Remember this, the business that everyone ignores today may be the businesses or a business that makes someone a millionaire tomorrow. And the next millionaire might simply be the person willing to see value where everyone else sees nothing. Finally, stop asking yourself, what business can I do? Instead, ask yourself, what problem can I solve for people to pay? Anything you know you can do, any problem you know you can solve for people, you can start it. You can start small and grow big. Most successful men out there, they started small before they grow bigger. When you start small, you start growing. But when you don't start, you don't grow. So that's how it works.